Students, today you have to start with the practice set 1.5 second example. This example is like this. This tells that I am rectangle, this side 2y, if this side is 2y, this side is x plus 4, if this side is 2x plus y plus 8, at that time this side is 4x minus y. Then you have to find out x and y. Means the conditions are already hidden in the diagram. From that you have to frame the equation. But how you have to frame the equation, that you have to see. Everybody knows that the rectangle, what is the properties of the rectangle? Rectangle means first property is that opposite sides of the rectangles are congruent. Means opposite sides of the rectangles are congruent. If this and these sides are opposite sides, at that time you have to say that this side is equal to this. So, and this side is equal to this. And you have to implement this property, the opposite sides of the rectangles are congruent, and from that you have to frame the two equations. If this side is equal to this side, at that time you have to say that you will frame the one equation, and if y is equal to x plus 4, at that time you will frame the second equation. So I already wrote that above diagram is the rectangle. By property of the rectangle, opposite sides of rectangles are equal. This side is opposite, the opposite side of this is this. So you have to say that 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to 4x minus y, and 2y is equal to x plus 4, because opposite sides of the rectangles are equal. Then you have to frame the equation. You have to convert this in the form of linear equation into variable. So collect the terms of the variable together and the numeric terms together. So you have to shift this, all the numeric terms, all the variable term in the variable side. So I will shift this 4x is as it is, minus y is as it is. You have to shift this to x, that side, that become minus 2x, plus y becomes minus y. This 4x minus 2x is equal to 2x, and minus y minus y means minus 1y minus 1y is equal to minus 2y. Here if both numbers are negative, add their magnitude and give the sum the negative side. From that we will get the equation 2x minus 2y is equal to 8, means 8 is equal to 2x minus 2y. Then convert it into the simplest form, divide both sides by 2. If I will divide both sides by 2, 2 and the 2, 2 4 the 8. This 2 is cancelled with this 2, and 2 is cancelled with this 2. And from that we will frame the equation x minus y is equal to 4. This is the first equation. From the opposite sides of the rectangle we will get this equation. Then another opposite side, 2y is equal to x plus 4. Then you have to collect this, shift this x this side, this plus x become minus x plus 2y is equal to 4. This is the second equation. Then the coefficients of the x are same and opposite sign. In opposite sign you have to do the addition. Then you have to say that equation 1 plus equation 2, x minus y is equal to 4 minus x plus 2y is equal to 4, y is equal to 8 will come. Then put y is equal to 8 in any equation. I will put y is equal to 8 in equation x minus y is equal to 4. Then y value you have to put as 8. You have to shift this 8 that side. X is equal to 12 will come. Then we have to find out the perimeter and the area. If you want to find out the perimeter and the area, for that you have to find out the length of the rectangle. Then you have to put the value of x and y. Here we will get the length, otherwise you have to put the value of x and y. Same answer will come. So I will put the value of x and y in the 4x minus y. Length is equal to 4x minus y. 4 multiplied by x value is 12 minus y value is 8. 12 4s are 48. 8 as it is. 48 minus 8 is equal to 40. Then breadth is equal to, this breadth is equal to 2y, otherwise you have to take the x plus y. I will take the 2y, 2 multiplied by 8, at that time 16 will come. Then once we will get the length and breadth, you have to find out the perimeter and the area of the rectangle. If you want to find out the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 length plus 2 breadth. You have to put the values of length as 40 and breadth as 60, and you have to find out the answer. 2 multiplied by 40 plus 2 multiplied by 60. 2 multiplied by 40 is equal to 80. 16 multiplied by 2 is equal to 32. And if we will add this, at that time 112 units will come. 112 units will come. If no unit is not given, at that time you have to give this as unit. Then area is equal to length into breadth. Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth, and perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 length plus 2 breadth. So you will fill these values of the length and breadth. Length as 40, breadth as 16, and 16 multiplied by 40 is equal to 640 square unit. This area unit will come square in square meter and square centimeter. If units is not given at that time, square unit you have to say. I think you understand this problem. You have to write all these things properly, draw the diagram and write all these things properly in the notebook.